Hi guys, it's me, Shauna. I don't know.
You guys are gay.
Oh, she's videoing.
She's videoing. She's so gay.
I am. Okay, so it's just the day after, like, we had a blizzard last night. Yeah, we did. And it's really cool. It's really deep. I don't know how deep it is though.
Your friends are making the
18
same stupid video, I'm sure.
18 inches.
18 inches. So, yeah.
So yeah, why would you say so yeah?
What do you think of that song? Do you know what you're...
Where you're going to?
Okay, I just kind of woke
Do you
up.
know what...
And, yeah, it's like 9 o'clock.
Okay,
And,
go email it to all your friends now.
and then this is how deep it is. Like,
Go ahead.
it's
Go,
like
email it to all
right
your friends. Yeah.
there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really deep. That is snow.
I heard
Yeah.
them saying.
I know it's boring, but I don't know. It's like really, really, really deep. Here, let me go back until you can see it. Okay. See that? Oh yeah, that is snow. Right there. Boom. Snow and lots of it. Okay, well I'm gonna go now. Probably gonna make like another video of this. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Okay. See you guys later.
Water on my pants and my shirt.
Bye.